Hello YouTube and welcome to Synthetic Oil Info. My name is Tom Brown and in this video I want to talk about one of AMSOIL's compressor oils, and this is the ISO 46 or SAE 20 rotary screw oil. Primarily designed for your, as it shows on the label, your rotary screw compressors. Also very good for air tools. It's got the correct viscosity and additive package in there for lubricating air guns and jackhammers and those types of air tools that require this viscosity and type of oil. And the advantages of using this oil over a conventional compressor oil is that, first off, this oil is going to maintain its viscosity, and so as it is subjected to workload and heat, it's not going to have the same problems with oxidation, so it will not leave behind so the oil will not thicken and leave behind residue. Cheaper oils, as they go through the workload cycle, burn off some of their lighter oil or lighter components and leaving behind a higher viscosity oil that turns into some very harmful sludge and varnish inside of your equipment. And that's one of the major leading causes of equipment failure, is they get gummed up with this residue that's left behind by that cheap oil. This oil also does a very good job of controlling foam inside the tools and inside the compressors. And what happens is that when that cheaper oil foams up, it does not lubricate, and so you have a situation where the system has oil inside of it, or the air tool has oil inside of it. It's supposed to be flowing through the components that it's trying to lubricate, but instead it turns into a foam, and so then you have air where you should have oil, and that's not a good thing. So this has additives in there, and the base oil that's here does a much better job of controlling foam formation. So you'll have oil lubricating things instead of air not lubricating them. You also resist water contamination. So many of these compressors and air tools work in very humid environments, and the air compressor, by their very nature, sucks in humid air and compresses it, which that humid air includes a lot of water in the form of humidity, and so then that water gets pushed into the storage tank of the compressor, and then it also gets pushed out into the air tools that you're using. So unless you have a very good water separator on your compressor, you're going to end up with water out in your whatever you're powering with this air. So you can't prevent all of that, because there's always going to be a little bit of moisture that gets into that compressed air. And so you need to be running an oil both in the compressor and in the tools that continue to lubricate even in the presence of water contamination. And so this compressor oil from AMSOIL does an excellent job of operating in that environment. It also resists heat and oxidation, which is part of the very nature of the environment that these things run in. Those compressors generate a lot of heat, as do those air tools. And the other very interesting advantage of this oil is that there is a safety advantage associated with using it. It's an ashless high flash point formulation with very low carbon forming tendencies that minimize the incident of ignition promoting hot spots. And so because you don't have those hot spots creating those flash points, it improves the fire safety. It's not considered to be a non-flammable product, but it does reduce the occurrence of those fire-causing hot points or flash points. And so this is recommended for like I said, compressors and tools. And so check out your compressor and tool lubrication orders or owner's manuals or operating manuals, and see what viscosity of oil you're supposed to be running in there, And if your equipment calls for that ISO 46 or SAE 20, this is an excellent, excellent product for you to consider using in there. So that's going to be it for this oil. As usual, I'll have a link right up here in the corner of the video, a little red hyperlink box that you can click on to go to my website, and from there you can go on to the AMSOIL website, or I will have a tiny URL link down below in the discussion box that'll take you directly to this product on the AMSOIL website. So there you can learn more about it and make a purchase if you need to buy some of this, and we appreciate it if you do. This is the quart bottle, but it's also available in many larger sizes as well, depending on how much you need. There's also a link down below about becoming an AMSOIL preferred customer. Preferred customers can save anywhere from 20 to 25% on their purchases off of the retail price, and then AMSOIL will ship those products straight to your door. I will also post a link down below on this video for commercial or retail on the shelf accounts as well, because I realize a lot of people that may be using compressor oil may be businesses or use this in their shops and things like that. So I'll post a link down there about commercial and retail accounts as well. So check that out. You can save money and save on shipping costs depending on how much you buy from AMSOIL. And just like with the preferred customer program, there's no minimum order, and it can save you a lot of money. So please check that out as well. We're also over on Facebook under Synthetic Oil Info, so please check us out there and like us while you're there. We appreciate that as well. We're here on YouTube, obviously, and so please subscribe to our channel and like our videos as you watch them. That helps us get seen by more people, so then we can help them solve their most challenging and difficult oil lubrication and filtration problems and questions, just like we're hopefully helping you right now. So thanks for stopping by. I forgot to mention our website is right here on the bottom, minutemanperformance.com. You can go there. You can contact us by email by clicking on the Contact Us link there, or you can also call us on the phone. Our phone number is under that Contact Us tab as well. So we look forward to hearing from you. Let us know what your questions or concerns are, if we can be any of help to you in placing an order or determining what type of products you need to be using. And when you're on our website, you'll also notice that we have links on there for the Ultram nutritional supplement line of AMSOIL, as well as the Agran fertilizer line. And with an account from AMSOIL, whether you're a dealer, preferred customer, commercial, or retail account, you can shop in all three of those product lines at no additional cost. So please take that into consideration as well. Thanks for stopping by. We hope you have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you on another upcoming video.